is Dr. Suvarna, consultant neonatologist at Rosewalk Hospital, New Delhi. Let's talk about very common preventable skin condition in the newborns, diaper rash, also called nappy rash. This is a very common condition for which parents come back, especially after the discharge. So this is caused by irritation of skin as well as infection of baby's skin. This presents with small starry red colored pinhead sized lesions in the perineal region, especially where the diaper area is covered. So how do you differentiate the diaper rash which is caused because of infection and that is caused because of irritation? Infection, most commonly fungal infection is the cause, and irritation is because of prolonged exposure to baby's urine and stools. Rash which is caused because of infection, it involves the skin folds also, groins and folds of the thigh. But rash which is caused by irritation usually doesn't involve the skin folds. So when do you meet a doctor for this rash? There are certain basic skin care regimes which we educate the new parents before discharge, like using diaper to as minimum as possible, reduction of exposure of baby's delicate skin to irritants like urine and feces, and even if you have to use diaper, please do not expose the skin to these irritants for a longer duration of time, which means frequent diaper changes. Then most important cause is do not use any chemicals on that area. Do not use wipes which contain alcohol, which contain fragrances, which contain essential oils. So these are the most important prevention methods by which you can avoid diaper rashes. Most important, which many parents, I think even if we educate them, ignorance also leads to this. Breastfeeding, it helps in prevention of diaper rash because one of the most important causes of infective diaper rash is a change in stool pH of the baby. So if the baby is exclusively breastfed, the stool pH is balanced, and breastfeeding also helps in maintaining the intestinal microbes, which again prevents in infection. So how do we treat this diaper rash? Main two goals of treatment are to reduce the recurrence of this rash and to heal the already damaged skin. How do you heal the already damaged skin? It's very simple. You just have to apply a skin barrier between your baby's diaper and baby's skin. So you can apply any emollient which contains 5% to 10% of zinc oxide, basically a cream form. So this cream has to be used every time a new diaper is changed. Not that only once you apply this cream, use diaper for many times. Sometimes even oil like cod liver oil, petrolatum are also recommended, but avoid using fragrances, avoid using detergents. This helps a lot. Next is prevention of recurrence of this rash is again the same thing. Avoid using diaper as much as possible. Frequent breastfeeding. Give air time to the perineal area and apply a barrier before you use any diapers. Thank you.